channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on travel, fashion, lifestyle and much more. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe kar do yaar. And also if you found this video really helpful and you liked the video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. So today's video is really going to be super exciting because I've shopped few of the t-shirt section from Ajio, and I basically bought these because first of all, I'm working from home. Second of all, I need few clothes which are super comfortable, 100% cotton. So hence, I was searching up online through Ajio's website and I came along these super cool t-shirts under rupees 299. Yes, you heard me right, it was 100% cotton and I'm super happy with my order. So without wasting any time, let's move on with today's video. So to begin with, the first t-shirt or top, I think these are called tees. So this is the first one. It came in separate packages and this one is the overall package in which all of these came. Now one black top came in a separate package, so yeah. So each of them came in a separate pack like this, and I really love the color. This one is from the brand Fig. So the MRP says, I don't know the MRP because I've really worn it before in my previous video. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it somewhere on the screen. So this is how the top looks like. It's 100% cotton. It's from the brand called Fig, and I've ordered it in a size medium because I didn't want it S to be really sticking to my body. It's a very bright color, it's orange color. So this is how the packaging looks like. So this one is from the brand called Team Spirit, and for Team Spirit I guess I ordered in size S. I don't know how, I think that they have different sizing options. So this is how the t-shirt looks like. It's again 100% cotton. Now I've removed the tag because I've worn it before. So I'll mention all the prices on the screen, and also I'll mention all the links in the description box down below. So please don't forget to check it out. So it's just written as exclusive at the bottom. So this is how it looks like. Third top again is from the brand called Team Spirit. Now this is again a beautiful blush pink color. It's not like that bright pink and that flashy pink color. It's a very beautiful blushed pink color, and it's only written as live, laugh and play. It's just reprinted again and again, and it has got a white strap. And this one again is 100% cotton. This one I have ordered in the size M. I guess by mistake I had ordered the orange one in size S. I think that's too tight for me. I think M is the perfect size for me. So this is how this has got really small cap sleeves to it, and I really love the material. It's so soft. It's so super soft, and for under rupees 299 you're getting such good material. It's good deal altogether. the fourth one which I wanted to show it to you guys is currently what I'm wearing right now. This top I think that you have seen in my Amazon haul maybe. I'll link it somewhere on the screen. So this is my absolute go-to, my favorite top. I don't know why, like the color itself is so bright and it just brighten up every picture. It just brighten up your video. So I really love this one. It's just simple. It's written as keep weird or something. Yeah. So that's what is written. So the last top, this is what I was talking about. It came in a separate package. I don't know why. So this one is from the brand DNMX. I think this is the in-house brand of Ajio or Reliance. I don't know. I guess. So please comment down below if I'm right or wrong. So this one I haven't like tried it on yet. This still has got a tag on it. So this one is a basic black top. And this one again I have ordered in the size M. So the MRP is rupees 299. The MRP is rupees 299, but I'm pretty sure I paid even less than 299. So I'll mention it on the screen. So this is how the top looks like. So this is again a cap sleeves, and the sleeves have got like simple, like simplistic things, like the border ones folded up. So it just gives a very good look to it. So this is what is written is girls are totally killing it. So this is like a velvet. I think it's not stitched. I think it's like just, you know, it's like pasted ones. I think so. So let me just check it out if it's stitched. Yeah, these are like pasted like velvet cloth. So these are not like stitch works if you guys are guessing. So this is again a very comfortable cloth. It's super comfortable and I really love it. Guys, I do really hope that you guys have found this video helpful, and I do really think that after watching this video, if at all you get interested in purchasing any of the t-shirts, I'll mention the links down below in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Also, if you guys want to see more videos like this, so please comment down below, and also comment down below as to how you did found out this video. And I'll do another video, I'm really hoping for it, where I'll be showing you guys shirts under ₹100 from Ajio. So I'm really looking forward to it. And also comment down below as to how you did found out this idea of mine which I just mentioned. Till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.